So hello everyone, I am so excited to share with you with the newest penthouse that I have. We are selling this one, and this is developed by the Vista Homes Commercial Incorporated, and this is located here in Busay, Cebu City. And we are going to check the penthouse of this building. This residential building is a mixed. Actually, this is a mixed building because Hyatt Hotel is also operation in this building. And in this residential, we have 3 penthouses. However, the 2 penthouses are already sold, and we only have 1 penthouse available. That one is the penthouse that is occupied by the owner of this building. It's another penthouse here, and it's already sold. And this one is the penthouse that we are going now to check. And this is a 2-bedroom penthouse and a 2 toilet and bathroom. And all of the details of this penthouse, I will going to put it on the details description of this video. And additionally, the view of this penthouse is mountain facing the west, and it is a fully furnished penthouse. And please bear with me because we are getting the video while the penthouse is still ongoing, doing the interior work, so there are messy things inside. So get inside. As you can see, that the penthouse door is really huge, and it can go inside your big furniture. We are now inside this beautiful penthouse of the Lemenda Residences. Lemenda Residences is the first condominium project of the Vista Homes here in Cebu, and then we have the second Lemenda series, which is located in Reveal Hills, and the third one is located in Hippodromo, which is the Lemenda Uptown. And from our left side, this is the sitting or the living area of the penthouse, and it's fully furnished, as you notice, because all of the units here in the Lemenda Busay has been turned over, fully furnished. That's why we are still having this interior works, because this is the last penthouse that we are selling, and hopefully this will be sold anytime soon. That's why we are doing the interior works. This is your living area with aircon, and this is the connecting to the first bedroom of the penthouse with own. Here is the common toilet and bathroom. I want you to see the common toilet and bathroom. And it's really huge common toilet and bathroom of the penthouse, and you have here your shower and equipped with this water heater. And let's go to the first bedroom of the penthouse. I will come to your first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom of the penthouse, and I think this is like the sound of the outside. It's like soundproof, and you have this wall accent here, and it's foam, and you have the aircon, and I think the TV will be put also there. No TV in this bedroom, but you have the closet, the cabinets, and your bed, and you have the side tables here. And we are doing the interior works of this penthouse. That's why we did not put yet the queen size bed foam. And you have the aircon. You have already the ready-made lights. And let's go and check your kitchen. Hello sir, good morning. Pwede pasigaw na ako ang sugat. Ako lang pag ay sorry, pero sunod. And this is your kitchen here. The developer decided to make a division there so that it's not open. And we will just see your. And this is what is doing here. So we are giving you this microwave oven, and you have 2 cooktops here, and gas range hood, and your lavatory, and you have this mini lots of cabinets. And this is your kitchen area, and this will be your space for the food or the food. And you have here the area for your dining, and that will be going to the balcony. I think that's a sky garden because we also put a plant boxes there so that you can put your plants. But first, I want to show you the master bedroom of the penthouse. And coming from your living area and dining area, we will go to the master's bedroom. So this is the main bedroom of the penthouse. You have this queen size bed, and again you have that wall accent that's foam, and you have that aircon and cabinet rack for the TV. And let's go check your bathroom. And this is your bathroom. You have this, and you also have this for your shower, heater and overhead shower. And from this bedroom, from the master bedroom of the penthouse, there is a sliding door connecting to your sky garden, and also there is also another sky garden sliding doors coming from the dining area. But we will just go to your sky garden using this sliding door. And this is your sky garden here, and it's really large sky garden. And I think you can also put some sitting sofa here, outdoor sofa, and maybe you can put another dining table there, because this is really huge. And we make this plant boxes so that you can put your plants here, and then maybe they will grow and then they will cover, because I think the afternoon sun is there, so there will be sunlight from here. And this is the sky garden of the penthouse. And again, I want to put all of the details of this penthouse. This is located here in Lemenda, Busay, developed by the Vesta Homes. And I will put all the details of this penthouse, the size, the price, and how you can acquire this one, and put it on the description details. And I will also put my contact numbers there. So coming from this sky garden, we will take now the other connection connecting to your dining. And the 6-seater dining and kitchen, and your living area, and your first bedroom, and your main bedroom. And this is it. This is the penthouse. So hopefully you like this video. You can share the video, maybe one with your friends, your family. We're gonna like this one because it's fully furnished and it's very peaceful, because you are located here in Busay. And I want to show you now the amenities of this penthouse if you are visiting. Let's go. And this is the amenity level of the Lemenda. It's located in the 8th floor. And that's the building. And this is the swimming pool area, but we will not just take here because people are swimming. And that's the kids pool. And that's the swimming pool. We'll just take a sneak peek because people are swimming, so we'll just not take them. And this is the building. So let's go back. People are swimming. We will respect their privacy. And the dressing room, the pool. Let's go to the swimming pool. It's pool. Let's go to the gym. And this is the amenity, the gym of the Lemenda. And you have that elevator, and let's go to the gym. So this is the gym of Lemenda Residences. Smells brand new and it smells rubber, but this is the gym of Lemenda. This is in the 2nd floor of the building. This is the facade of the building. and Casa Mesa restaurant, and that's the highway going to Cebu City, going to JY Square, and koi, there's a koi pan, koi. And the lobby. And the concierge. Hyatt concierge. Elevators.